Hello and welcome back to Black Note Music Center. Today we are going to be breaking down a simple song and very straightforward, Knowing You by Vanessa and LoveworldSingers in the key of E flat. So I will play the song, then I will come back for the breakdown. Thank you. Interlude. Lord, thank you for you. Then second verse. Chords. Oh, yeah. Thank you. That's the song. As you can see, the song is very simple, straightforward, on key of E flat. So our E flat, let's run the major scale. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1, which is also 8. E flat is our 1. F is our 2, G is our 3, A flat is our 4, B flat is our 5, C is our 6, G is our 7, then back to our E flat, which is 8 or 1. So the intro so from 1 to 4, 1 to 4, okay. 5, 4. Okay, I play everything together. You are mine. Then 1. See this chord. So you are on 1 ear, you stay on 1 ear, your right hand on 4. So right hand, A flat, C and E flat. Or if you like, you can, this one you can play it here, you can drop it, make it sus 4. So what you are doing here, 1, you are just suspending this one to 4, then you take it back. Okay. Then 6. To 3. 4. Again. 5, 4. Then again. The second time. Then 6. Or so. Second time. So you are mine. That's for the first part. The second time again, 1, 4, then 6. So then going to the chorus. Knowing you, then 3, 4. Repeat it twice. Then to 6, 3. 3. Then 4, 5, 6. Thank you for who you are. Again. Then 6. 4, 5, 6. Then you are. Then baby, you are. You see. So let me slow down there. So I'm not going to be calling because of time. I'll just slow everything down so you can always pause and grab the notes and chords today. So we start from the chorus. Knowing you. The chorus the second time. Then the interlude. You are. Thank you for who you are. So that part. Thank you for who you are. See. Thank you for who you are. Thank you for who you are. Then it's the second part. Da 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 di, da 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 da. Babe, twice. Da di da di da di da di da di da. Then two chorus. Knowing you. So yeah, da da. So 4, I see. 6, 5, da da. Then 6. Okay. So that part is twice. 4, 9, 6, 5. Again. 4. You are the beauty of my life. Then go back to knowing you. 4. Then 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. So don't forget that part. As you can see, the song is very straightforward, and we don't need to waste much time on the song. I think we've covered everything here in the song, and thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget, our free online piano lesson continues. Okay, you can share, let other people who you know might benefit from the free lesson to connect, to join, to subscribe, so that you don't miss a thing. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.